got to do it, bro. You got to do it. Yeah. Documentation of this lifestyle that we have, because all we are is about freaking trucks and going fast. That's all I know.
Yeah.
You know, so it's gonna be, and this is just one chapter. I want a shop extension payment. That's what I want.
Yeah.
More concrete roof. I want some lift. Yeah.
Your priorities are legit.
Yeah. Because what happens when you get a shop, you can always fix this. I don't have to. I'm not gonna give God bless GM, but I'm not giving them another 50, 80 grand for another Suburban. I bought mine. I'll just keep this one running. You know, there's not one part that doesn't come off. You know, there's not one part that don't come off. You know?
Yeah.
Anyways, but this is why, and it all goes full circle. Go right to the kids. The kids, if I can teach them that way they can be self-reliant on themselves to a certain degree. I've seen you on TV. I've seen you with his. Yeah, I've seen you doing stuff. What do you do over there exactly? Because
oh, this is good.
Yeah, let's go.
Shop manager, parts manager, lead mechanic. So
yeah.
Many hats.
Get it done. Get it done.
Aaron's an ass kicker.
He's an ass kicker. You get it done. You're a get it doneer. You can't have a awesome product with an inferior team, and that's just the way it goes. You know. So you try to surround yourself with like-minded people. I got no time for negativity.
Do you want a coffee?
Do I look like I need a coffee? Sean.
Just check it.
No, I appreciate the offer. No, I drink copious amounts of water.
We're gonna go check out that Spencer's place.
The cool thing is we got guys like Scott Rods coming from Texas. He's like, Arnie, I'm bringing like a garage. So whoever needs freaking help, there's like a garage. Just that way you know it too. Something feels wrong in Goldie, everyone's got tools. That's what's so awesome about this situation. They want to beat your ass, but dude, you can use my tools. There's nothing better. Okay? Just when I'm gonna give you this wrench though, make sure you're behind me, or I don't want to see you beat me. Because then it's like, that guy's first place. I'm never gonna lend him a wrench again. No, the guys, that's
cool guys.
Yeah. I'm excited about everyone that's coming. Guys, I gotta get over there.
I like the tiger on the back, kind of wrapped around. I'll show you on this other one. So see how they have it like coming around the back? So I want to do that either with that one or the tiger.
Chucky, you wanted that? There you go.
There it is.
What's up?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
If I come in pretty close, I can swing really wide and have plenty of room to get back.
It's a Chicago box. Take that out of your mind. Don't hit that cone. Don't hit that one. Get past that one. There's really only 3 cones here.
Okay.
The other ones are there because
it's an illusion.
It's an illusion. Some other guy's gonna come out. He's gonna hit that cone. You're gonna come there. Don't touch. That's why the green one's green. Don't hit the green one. Don't touch that guy. Shoot and aim for that guy, and then get out. There's really only 3 cones in the box.
By the second set of cones.
Let's go that way.
Just got to ride in this beast. biker gang. Montana Grill.
He said, where's the boys? Where's the Montana? He said they're at the Montana Steakhouse.
Goldie's here, 2:15 a.m. Gotta be at the racetrack at 7. Late night, getting after it. I got my road dog with me, El Presidente. Still good.
All right, guys, welcome to the first annual Pro Touring Truck Shootout, and it's what we call controlled chaos. So we got autocross trucks going in, we got truck corral guys coming in, and even though the itinerary says, you know, show up at 7:30, guys come here earlier, so we had to get a jump on everything, which is awesome. Sean Provost's truck just came in. I think Santa Claus delivered it late last night, and here she is right now getting ready. She's gonna get her numbers on. I think he's already done tech, so he's gonna go over to his grid section. So guys, hopefully you guys are paying attention to us live on Street Trucks and on their YouTube channel. And man, it's the most organized truck event that's ever been taking place. And I feel it. It's a lot of responsibility right now, and it seems like we're doing pretty good. So we'll see you guys a little bit later and catch a truck on the track. This is an emotional time for me, okay? Welcome to the first annual Pro Touring Truck Shootout. This could not happen without you guys signing up to do this event. Your money has been spent, okay? You want a refund? Get a lawyer, okay? We're gonna have about 10 of you guys line up in staging, okay, from grid. Everybody got that? Pretty simple stuff. This course has been run by Cliff and Adam inside the truck, and they've gotten it. We know it's under a minute. We understand that's under a minute. That's gonna allow us from 8:30 to 5:30. If we do the calculations, it's supposed to be 6, I gauged for 5, because crap happens, okay? So 5 runs is what the deal is. As you guys know, at 5:30, we're killing it. You got half an hour for the outlaw guys. If you decide to, it's your truck. It is a DOT public road. If you get a ticket, that's on you. But you can change to DOT tires to go on the drivability cruise. Okay? Yeah, we forgot, it does have a payout. I got big checks. You guys haven't seen them because the checks are at the museum. And I did something pretty cool. The big check is $500. Now, the checks and the money for that is by this man right there. Rob McGregor from No Limits with his money where his mouth is. He said, Marty, I'm gonna make you a deal. I'm gonna give you $1,000. You make this thing happen, I'm putting money where my mouth is, but here's the deal. I'm coming back with 500. of yesterday's time and today's time. Fastest yesterday, fastest, slowest today. You know, lesser time. You know. All right. N1 class, number 44, representing Chester County, Trace Beaver.
Yeah,
The 50 bucks, that check is yours. I covered that one, he covers the other big stuff. Come here. Bro, I get presented. This is the Covenant Cone. Enjoy, thank you so much, hope you learned a lot. All right, Trace Beaver, Trace Beaver. Second place, 75, Olaf Olsen. All right. Now, it's easy come, easy go. First place winner. I'm sorry, guys. First place winner. Number 52, Brandon Carter. Number 52. That is yours. I'm sorry, Trace. What about these two? Up is T2. Number third place, number 74, Douglas Goss. Douglas Goss.
Hey. Good job, Doug.
In second place, number 32, Jeff Shaws. Shavers. In first place, in T2, number 23, Danny Cartwright. Woo! T1 class, in third place, number 8, Sean Kelly. Sean Kelly. In second place, number 4, Michael Williams. Michael Williams, number 4. With no surprise, number 1, vehicle 63, Mr. Brian Finch. Mr. Brian Finch, number 63, first place.
So I want to donate this $300 to the class, to the students for your next bill. And I encourage everybody else out here, if you want to throw a little cash in a hat, let's get it around for these kids, because this is the next, this is our future, this is the next generation.
Yeah.
Really admire what they've done. But I will keep the check.
We'll keep the check. All right, over here, over here.
Somebody up.
Where's your hat?
Yeah, we're working on the hat. Guys, I need that. It is.
Shake that man's
Put
hand. Put another 50 with it.
Come on. All right, that is your T1.
Yeah.
Look, we got some guys want to give the students money. You guys stay there. Hey, it's a Bill-Tech hat. Go like that. Guys, it's up to you. We thank you. Everything.
Open up.
They need tires. Hey, turn around. Turn around. They need tires. They need oil. Now they got a sponsor. Guys, thank you so much for doing this.
Thank y'all so much.
Great job. Great job.
Awesome.
Arnie, great job.
Awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you, Mr. Brian Finch, for that recommendation. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Come here. You got third place. Air Brakes wants to give you 50 bucks. Apparently they think you need brakes. Here, stand over there. Get another picture magazine, please.
Oh, gosh.
Number 63, second place. You get $150 if you're here. Number 63, truck number 63? No, it's not. Well, Bear Brakes thinks you need brakes too.
Yeah, if the students want this gift certificate, you can have this as well.
30. Truck number 30. Bear Brakes thinks that you need brakes too. Number 30. Is it you? Golly, you guys suck. Stand next to these guys right there. That's the Bear Brakes
All right, guys, you ready?
certificate,
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
which I know what Jimmy's gonna do.
I'm already out.
Yeah. You can't spin it like a bandit, man. You know who you are. You thought there was no rules? You thought you come here and do what the heck you want? We gave you some standards to abide by, and you guys kicked ass and did a great job. Number 30, with a beautiful black, damn freaking NASCAR looking kind of truck. Number 30, Jimmy Bullard. Again. Number 18, and I think he's still out there in the track. If he's back, Mr. Tyler Gibson. There he is, hot off the track. Number 18. This guy can sometimes be a pain in the butt, but I will tell you this. He put his money where his mouth is, and I can't thank him enough to get this thing started. Without what he does and his experience of doing this and contributing to this, I couldn't do it. The man that signs the check to keep the money in his pocket, Mr. Rob McGregor. You get the blue one.
Just to prove I was ready. I'm going to take it.
It's there, make it red.
Thank you very much.
All right, definitely stand there and hold your own check.
So I'll tell you what, I'm going to bring this back next year.
I'll break some
Who's going to take it?
Take it from money where his mouth is.
Nobody's talking. I'll break some
Right there. You got the first taker, Mr. Jimmy Bullard. Street Trucks has been covering this whole entire event. Thank you for LMC, the list of sponsors that we got right there. We could not do it with all those sponsors.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
That's awesome. Guys, thank you. I couldn't do this without you. Again, to the staff, the volunteers, I am nothing without you guys. They made me look good. Please, a round of applause for my staff, my wife, friends, family, guys still picking up the track. Please just help. If you see them, thank you. From high school kids who did corner working, thank you so much. The first annual Pro Touring Truck Shootout is a wrap. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You guys did it. I didn't do it.
I want to get a photo with you and all the kids in front.
Yeah. In the truck. Let's go. Half of them are mad at me anyway. Let's go.
The van away.
So the first annual Pro Touring Truck Shootout is done. Thanks to my boy, that was Chris Hamilton, editor-in-chief of Street Trucks Magazine, C10 Builder's Guide, OBS Builder's Guide. We got a list of sponsors that we love. LMC, we got Bell Tech. There's just a bunch of guys. I'm sorry, I'm delusional because of the heat. Everyone had a great time. The students even got a prize. Sean Provost went on the track. He came back a changed man. There's just so much going on. We could not do it with the staff that we have here, the track, the people. It's phenomenal, man. Don't mix the next one.